Hi, welcome for SVR Tech. I'm Ragini, and this video will see how we can use an Excel and how we can edit by using just an phone. Just go for the Play Store and type an Excel. If you are new user, just go for the installation. I was an already installed, so it will going with an open option, and the link will be given in the description too. If you want to create any new, you can go for the new. As usual, same like how in desktop it will be happen. I'll give it an some random demo. Here if you want change, you can name the change. In order to edit the cell, you have to double click. You have to double click. I'm giving just name, marks, random name I'm giving. So whichever cell would you like to go, you can go for click on the cell and make it of double click. I'm giving some name, numbers. So I'll make it of a border. Usually in our desktop we can found like top of the menu bar some features like all these like some clear border and all. It will be in our phone we can find these things in the below. So I'll make it border as well as bold. And I'm going to highlight these name and marks. I'll fill out. So in order to select just stick and you can view this circle. So how much many cells you want, you can select, drag, and you can edit all the things. In the same way everything will be applicable. And here we'll go and I'll see like we can put on a filter. So filter is happen. You can find this. And here I'll make sure like which is of less number. I'm just selecting the filter. So I have selected, I'm making sure the done. So you can find Raghu who has scored the less. So I'll remove the filter. In the same manner, you can go for the clear filter. And we'll see any addition, subtraction, how it will be happen. I'm doing just sum. You can go over here. You can go sum. It's an sum. Yes, it will be happen. So in the same manner, you can change any data, or you can add or you can create, or you can edit your status, everything. You can make it an report. Here you can see until now it was in saving. Now it happened saved. So you can share the file, share as an attachment in a workbook. You can share which is your convenient, like whether it's in WhatsApp or in mail. And if you want, you can make it save as, and you can keep it in your mobile for the further uses. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, share it. Thank you.